Hi, I'm Sam. I'm Head of Advisory at Blue Marble. In this presentation, I'm going to answer one of the frequently asked questions that we get as LCA consultants, and that is, how much do EPDs cost? And I've heard that it's expensive. This is a genuinely tricky question to answer, but the variables involved are basically how complex the product is and its supply chain is. So how much time does it take to do the LCA modelling? Whether it's a single product or an average of multiple products, the extent of the life cycle stages that you wish to consider. So a cradle to grave scope is would typically cost more than a cradle to gate plus end of life scope. And importantly, which program operator you wish to publish with. So each have their own set of costs and the way that the verification fees are structured, and this can impact significantly on the overall costs of the project. I would say, as a rule of thumb, if you had a budget of, say, £10,000, that ought to be sufficient to cover most standard projects. You also have software options. These are self-serve software options. They have an initial investment which may be higher, and you'll need to divert in-house resource to developing the LCA, but there will be a tipping point at which the economies of scale kick in and the price per EPD does come down. It's important to remember, however, that an EPD is valid for 5 years, and if you look at it as an investment, think about the value that you will obtain over those 5 years. You can begin to see that it is quite it can be quite an affordable exercise. I hope that's helpful.